In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us have desires and all of us have plans. This is something very natural. This is something quite natural. We are trying to, consciously and unconsciously, we are trying to push our plans forward. We want to accomplish them. Some of the people, they are trying to take more bite than they can chew. They are greedy in other sense. There is a difference between being ambitious and being greedy. Greed, which spoils your own life and spoils the life of certain other people as well. The people who will trust you, the people who will get closer to you, the people who are closer to you. If at all your greed is spoiling their life, if at all your greed is spoiling their peace of mind, if at all your greed is spoiling your own respect in the society, you are doing bad with yourself and not with anyone else at all. The life we are living in, it's not unlimited, it's quite limited. We are of the view that I shall be able to live this much, I shall be able to work this much. It might come true, it might not come true as well. There is no surety. Also, if at all we do succeed in getting the time we are expecting, even then we are not sure what sort of circumstances are waiting for me in the future. We are not very sure. We are very much unclear, we are very much uncertain. That is why it is very necessary to keep clean, to keep your affairs clear enough, to keep your matters clear enough. Do not tell lies to the people you are trying to take advantage of, the people you are trying to get the benefit from, the people you think you need for your plans. Do not try to tell them lies. Do not try to exaggerate the things at all. Rather, keep them clear. Otherwise, it will be a sort of debt upon you in the court of God Almighty. And that will be a time then when we will be desperate to be given another chance, to be given another life, that I shall go back and I shall correct my life, but we will not be given the time again. We shall not be giving any opportunity, any new life again, shall never be given anything like that one. Plus, if at all you want to enjoy the life, will you be able to enjoy the life if you are having the maximum amount of money? If you are having more money, do you think that you will be having more enjoyment, more pleasure, and more peace of mind? Not at all. None of these things. Money is important, money is good. The respect you are trying to gain in the society, that is also good. But not at the cost of your peace of mind, not at the cost of the peace of mind of the other people, not at the cost of the peace of mind of your family members. So that is why I think it is, if you have no respect and you are at the end of your life, you do get some money. So what is the use of it? That is a pure dirt. That is a pure garbage. That is something which is obnoxious actually, which should be despised upon. That is something which is despicable. Feel disgust of it. Steer clear. I mean, do not unless and until you are 70 to 80% sure. Do not involve other people. Do not involve other people unless and until you do have more than 80% of the chances. that you will inshallah be able to succeed in your plans. Do not involve other people at all, otherwise the life of the other people will be disturbed, and you will be responsible for the disturbance of their life. If at all you are responsible and they people, you have become their enemy, you have acted their as their enemy, and they have not done nothing wrong with you, what is going to happen then? If at all you are spoiling their life, if at all they think that you are responsible for the spoiled life of theirs, who is responsible? You are responsible. And if at all, and do not spoil your own life as well. Your own life is also going to be spoiled if at all you have no peace of mind, if at all you have no respect in the society, if at all people are pointing toward you that you have cheated them, that you have kept them in the dark, that you have made false promises with them, they people, I think that they will be, you are their enemy, you are their villain, you are one of the worst people in the world today. What is the result of these things? Steer clear of all such dirty, bad matters. Don't be, don't do that. Do not do that. Be a very neat and clean person. We try to be neat and clean. As far our body is concerned, as far our dresses are concerned, we are trying to be clean. We are also trying to be clean, as far our house and office is concerned. Why not to be clean? As far our affairs are concerned, as far our matters are concerned, as far our life is concerned, as far our day to day dealings are concerned, as far our business is concerned, as far our personal life is concerned, why not to stay neat and clean? Making your life neat and clean should be the first priority. Keeping our life neat and clean should be your first priority. Never ever lie to anyone else. Do not even exaggerate the things. Do not try to keep the people in dark. Do not lie with yourself as well. Do not cheat yourself as, because if at all you are spoiling your own life, if at all you are spoiling your own respect in the society, if at all you are spoiling your own peace of mind, if at all you are spoiling your own peace of mind, if at all you are spoiling your own life, you are cheating with yourself as well. Never be such a dirty, obnoxious, hateable, despicable, disgusting person. Thank you.